What's up, guys? It's Harper here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I have a special guest, my dad.
Great to be here.
And today we're going to show you how to make slime. So first, you want some glue. It can be any type, but Elmer's is the best.
Are we going to speak slime language?
No. So just pour in the whole bottle.
Mm-hmm. It's time for slime.
And everyone loves slime. Everyone loves slime.
All right, if you say so.
Because I'm smarter than him.
You're right.
So, now we want to mix the glue a little bit.
She's mixing the glue a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a bit.
She has some glue here. Just glue, it's not slime yet. So now, we are going to add...
I might need to help assist here. This is why I'm actually here.
I have no clue how you use this. Not me. Okay, so I want to stop. So stop.
I've stopped.
We are going to start mixing. And it is forming, as you can see.
I can see.
Yes, he can, because he has glasses.
That's true. That's why I wear glasses, so I can see slime being made.
You see, the slime is forming into slime. And soon you're going to have to start kneading with your hands. So let's keep on mixing and mixing until you feel like it's not that sticky.
Do you need a little help? You're all good.
Good. And
right.
you see it starts looking like someone's brain.
Ooh. Let's not confuse it.
Into
You sure that's not my brain?
your brain's in your head, that's how you're talking.
Oh.
Yes. You need a little bit more activator. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop! And you can always add some other ingredients like glitter, because glitter makes everything awesome. I use glitter glue, so I do not have to use glitter.
I think this is the first time I've ever touched a detergent box.
What? Because he does not do the laundry.
Yes, I do.
Since when?
Keep stirring.
There's extra glue in here. Whatever, I can't get it out.
Okay.
He's squeezing in extra glue. As it's
I think that might be it.
Okay.
Oh.
There's more.
We got a little more out of there.
You always want to get everything of glue out because you always want the most slime as you can get.
Duh.
Yes, duh. And, what? And the best type of slime is the slime that you put shaving cream in. But he doesn't want me using a shaving cream.
Yeah, let's not using that.
And now I feel like it is ready to use our hands. I just have to scoop it and mix it a little bit more. Now I think we're ready to mix with our hands. So get it off the spoon. And in my hands. And you start stretching it. You have to knead it. And I've also made Play-Doh before on my channel. Can I please have a little bit more activator? Because that helps it not stick. That's enough. Because you don't want to over-activate it. And that means it's going to get like a rock. You don't want that. And it's stopping sticking a little bit less sticking than it was. And one bottle of glue makes a lot of slime. We still have a lot extra in the bowl. Shoved in the bowl because my We have a lot of extras in there. As you see, it's forming. And if you have the blue laundry detergent, it might change the color. So if you have the blue and you have a color, if you mix it together and it makes brown, do not use that color because then it will form brown. But if you add blue to purple, it's still purple. So you see it's not sticking that much. It's starting to form. And always make as much slime as you want because everyone loves slime.
Everyone.
And it takes a while to knead. But still.
We need to knead, right?
We need to knead because everyone wants their slime. You see, it's not sticking that much. This is just how slime works. And you just want to keep on kneading and kneading until you get the right. You see, it's not sticking. So I think.
Looks tiring.
No, it's not. So now we're gonna put it on the table. It's stuck to the bowl. Unstick, please. So it takes a while, but it's worth it, right?
Of course.
Because it's slime. A lot of people make slime.
Oh.
And they don't know how to.
Oh.
So
Well, that's why you're making this.
Yeah. They
This is a public service announcement.
they add whatever stuff that are stretchy and gooey and put it in a bowl. And then it does not make slime, it makes a liquid. And you don't want a liquid. Because once I tried making slime with a marker and glue, and it just made a sticky mess. And as you see, the slime is about to be done. And Daddy had no idea how to make it, but
now I learned.
From Harper.
You can already see the importance of this.
Yes, you can already see it. The importance of slime.
And your tutorial.
Yes, my channel.
Yes.
And make sure you subscribe.
That's right. Make sure you subscribe.
You see, it's not sticking. Beautiful. So now we're going to try getting the batch at the bottom because you want to get as much as you can. Right?
Of course.
He loves slime, so he made this video with me. Because he liked slime when he was a kid, right?
I said to her, let's make a slime video. And she was like, I don't know. And I was like, and she was like, okay.
Yeah, because I love slime. I just didn't know if he was able to make it. Okay, whatever. Let's just get to the bottom of the bowl. Because you want to get as much out as you can. The bottom of the bowl is not that.
You want me to try stirring a little bit?
The bottom of the bowl slime is like.
Got it.
Yep. The bowl's empty. This slime, this piece is easy to fold because, well, it's been sitting in the bowl. And when you use actual glue, and like some people don't use glue, they use shampoo, you have to wait for a few days for that slime to become slime. And when you just use this.
I should have brought a notebook.
Yes, he should have. And can I please have more activator? It's sticky. That's it. You see, it's not sticking that much anymore. You want to pick up as much as you can. You see, it's not sticking that much.
Oh, I see.
He loves slime. He was like, I'm so doing this video. Like, and I know my daughter loves it, so I'm just gonna do it anyway.
Pretty much what I said, exactly.
Yeah, because I'm smart. So can you have a chance mixing when I try getting the bits of the... Actually, I think it's done.
Oh my.
It's very stretchy if you use the tie. Not contact solution and some baking soda. And that kind of makes your slime smaller. Because when I used the whole thing the last time, it made like minus half of this, and I don't know why. Right? You saw that.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Yeah, because that was still in quarantine. And everyone likes making slime when they're stuck in their house. So I think our slime is done. So it's very stretchy. Let's do the bubble test. Because slimes can make bubbles. Move the bowl out of the way. Okay. I don't really know how to make a bubble. So.
I think you had a bubble there.
Yeah, I did. It can only make bubbles itself when you squeeze it. Because sometimes you can it makes some noise when you... Do you want to feel it?
Certainly. Oh, the best slime ever.
It's so amazing. He's gonna try getting it off.
I kind of like it.
You do?
Yeah.
Like, everyone likes slime.
Mm-hmm.
And if it gets on you, just keep on dabbing.
Right.
With the big chunk. I have what you... I'm gonna dab with the big...
I didn't really know what I was doing.
No, you didn't. Don't know what I'm doing either.
All right.
Okay, so I think we are done. So, and we also forgot to do the poking test. This one's really good for poking. Because everyone loves to poke their slime. It's so satisfying. And then, oh, it made a tiny, it's making a bubble.
Oh, now we know we have really good slime.
Yeah, we do. Let's just make sure there's no more glue in here. Because I can see that at the bottom. I don't think
I think we might be good.
Yeah, okay, we're good. And, yeah. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe and turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.